It was the Christmas tree lighting ceremony at the Araneta City, and there was a huge crowd indeed, with lots of celebrity performances. But after hours of waiting for the tree to light up, I eventually got hungry. Realizing that there's actually a live stream of the event, I've decided to head off to Shin Mikana, a Japanese grocery store which sells delicious food upstairs and is beautifully decorated with Japanese motifs. Some of the delicious food you must try there include the pork tonkatsu bento box, gyoza, and tonkotsu ramen.